Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Hiba Sadi. Welcome back to Sadi's Planet. Hope you are all fine and safe by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah. Right now I am in Alain Mall, one of the beautiful mall in Alain. So I often come here, but today I am here to show you guys an awesome art gallery about our beloved His Highness Sheikh Zayed. At the end of this video, I am going to show you this entire art gallery. So I am also going to talk about Sheikh Zayed's achievements and contributions towards this country. But before starting, happy 49th National Day to all of you. Dears, the peace, love and tolerance of this country united us here. Yes, it is the United Arab Emirates. Here, there is no partialities, no discrimination. We learn each other, we work each other. It is the United Arab Emirates, the home to over 200 nationalities. As we all know, this UAE is impossible without our beloved Sheikh Zayed. Famous to be known, one of the world's most approachable leaders. It was Sheikh Zayed's vision that has made UAE what it is today, a happy land full of opportunities. He is the founder of UAE, father of nation, His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. The full name of Sheikh Zayed is Zayed bin Sultan bin Zayed bin Khalifa Al Nahyan. He was born on 6th May 1918 in Al Husn Palace. He was the ruler of Abu Dhabi for more than 30 years. He was the man who turned the desert green. His character started building since he was a child. The desert taught him patience, determination, resilience and self-respect. Father of UAE, His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan understands the problems of his people. According to him, honesty, devotion and truthfulness are the founding pillars of leadership. Among his many visions, the most important one was the unification of the 7 emirates into a single federation and transforming it into a modern nation. The UAE was founded on December 2nd, 1971 and Sheikh Zayed was elected by the rulers of Emirates as the first president of UAE. He was the president, the builder and the caring father of the nation. Sheikh Zayed encouraged women to seek education and to become productive. Once, Sheikh Zayed said, "My wealth is for my children." Here, children means not only his own, but all the Emiratis, the 200 nationalities. When he became the president of UAE in 1971, one of his first acts was to ensure that his children would live comfortably forever. As a father would to his children, earned him a nickname Baba Zayed. We lost our beloved Baba Zayed on November 2nd, 2004. Yes, 16 years have passed since the father of UAE passed away, and here we are still discussing him. This tells the power and vision of a true leader. The UAE even marked the year 2018 as the year of Zayed. Finally, I pray to Almighty to give him the best of the best place in Jannah. Sheikh Zayed said, "Arab oil can never be dearer than Arab blood." Yes, we miss you and we love you, Baba Zayed. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Thanks for watching. I will come up with more useful and educational videos. Please do subscribe and share. Until then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.